Well, hello everyone. It's me, Daniel, with Website Candy once again. And what we're talking about here now is in reference to picking out a framework. Usually, what I do in most scenarios, in most cases, is I will select three different frameworks in reference to for you to pick from. Okay, in reference to kind of showing you here's the availability. We've already had a little bit of a conversation. You've already talked a little bit about your message in reference to what it is that you want to do, or I got a little bit of information, the email in reference to what it is you want to do. What I would do is I will kind of pull out three frameworks that I have pre-built in reference to, and I'm gonna go full screen here in reference to this tutorial here because I want you to really see this. Within the three frameworks I'm going to show you, we will go through the site via live screen share or face to face if possible. And what we're going to do is we're going to kind of go through, click all the little buttons, and see how everything works in reference to setting it all up for you. Now, this is an event that's already happened. That's the nature of the reason why you see the countdown that's done there. Okay, but this is one of the first websites that I built for Chanel Cooper Sykes. As you can see right here, you can give her the name, the email address, and you can submit it. It was an event that she did July 25th to the 27th, and we had a countdown here, counting down to that class there. Then she had another little service that she wanted to offer in reference to a master class. And then here was the live Twitter feed that she used. And actually, this little box up right here on Ustream, she was actually live in this box. And this is just the recording right here. So, what I'm having you just mainly do here is look at the way that this website is laid out. This could be the website that you actually want, you desire. You can see the social networks right there. You can see a little bit of information right down here in reference to Chanel Cooper Sykes and her company. And, I'm just kind of showing you the frame. Imagine your stuff. Imagine a picture of you back here. Imagine this little box right here, you going live, and where they're signing up in reference to breaking through with Chanel. Okay, so this is the first framework, and this is just an example of what I do with you. Here's the second framework right here that we have, and we had the countdown reflecting once again to that same event. We were going to use this one right here, but we decided to use the one that you just seen there a moment ago. So right here is the Valuable Woman Tour with Chanel Cooper Sykes. As you can see, the little countdown there, and I'm just kind of showing you the way that I would go through the website with you to explain and show you. Here's the different little UI user interface that we can add to the website to make your website really cool. As you can see right here, like this is the agenda. She was going to do a four-city tour here in reference to Houston, Atlanta, New York, and Chicago. And when you click Atlanta there, you can see the schedule breakdown for Atlanta. Right here for Houston, you can see the schedule breakdown for Houston, and so on and so forth. Okay. Kind of giving you different links and everything. Right here are speakers. We never fill this in here because we never actually use this framework, but we will be using this in the future here. And you can see other types of elements in here that you can use in reference to people subscribing, and you can see the way that the little UI moves right there that we've already built and got ready for you. So that's the main thing we want to do, is make sure that we stay ready. That way we don't necessarily have to get ready. The last one I'm going to show you over here is the website we're about to launch here, and it's an event here that Chanel's doing. Once again, she does a lot of events here, and you can see the break through your goals, break through your dreams, break through whatever that's bouncing through there. Her social networks are right here. You can register for the event, and then right over here you can see where it's breakthrough. You can see I did a little shadow right there, and you can kind of see where her image is here. Call to get your seat, and you can see right here accommodations, schedules, transportation, so on and so forth. So like I said before, you mainly, when I show you these different frames that I will pull out for you, especially just for you, we're just kind of just going through it to really see how everything works. And as you can see, we have a video right here that we can play and we can watch in reference to what Chanel has going on. Here's the three packages here. So like I mentioned before, this is just an example. This is just a little bit of a mock in reference to showing you how we will go through the three different frames in reference to finding the best one for you, in reference to making sure that we get this thing right the first time, we get your website up and running in a fashionable manner. And That's it. I mean, it's really simple. Once we pick that framework out, it's time for you to send us copy, time for you to send us information. And I want to kind of cover that real quick in reference to making sure you know how to get us information. I'll see you in the next little thing over there. All right. Bye.